Hey guys, how you going? Today I'm doing an unboxing from my new wig from Uniwigs. Okay, so the wig I have here is called the Hanna Human Hair Mono Wig. And look how long it is. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. So I'll just pop this to the side and I'll show you what else you get in the box. In here we have a beautiful silk bag to put your wig in and to keep it nice and safe. We also have an elastic band. And here we have a little care booklet which just has some information in it on how to style your wig, how to wash your wig, how to keep it in pristine condition for as long as possible. Beautiful hair, so you want to make sure that you're treating your wig the right way. We also have some wig caps in here. I personally don't wear wig caps myself, but if you do have hair that you need to kind of conceal and keep all together, they're in here. We also have some little clips. So I won't be using these clips. These are to attach to your wig. So if you do have hair, you can clip them into your hair so your wig can be nice and secure. Okay, now I'm going to show you the wig and how it comes. This is the exciting bit. Okay, so here she is, the Hanna wig. It is 22 inches long with pre-cut soft layers. And when you put it on, it should reach midway of your back. Super long and super beautiful. If you can see right here, it has some dark rooting, which I absolutely love. It just makes it look so much more natural. So here she is. Oh my gosh, I'm blown away. I can't believe how long it is. And it's really, really soft. I just feel like I just want to run my fingers through the hair. Look at that base. It is so amazing. I love that natural dark root. And then all the subtle highlights and lowlights in the hair. It's just beautiful. If I turn around, you can see how long the hair is. Like, that is crazy. Once you have adjusted your wig and it's feeling nice and secure on your head, you want to make sure the top of the wig, the beginning of the wig, is 4 fingers away from your eyebrow. That way you're not going to have a full head that's too big or too small. I've moved just a little bit closer so you can try and see that root. Look at that natural scalp. It's amazing. So the Hanna wig is made from quality Remy hair, which means you can use your heat styling tools on this wig just like you would your natural hair. The cap construction is a monotop with 100% hand-tied base. Monofilament is a luxury wig material that creates a natural hairline. Okay, so now I'm going to attempt giving it a side part. Super easy, like it just feels like it's running through my natural head. It's not pulling on anything. Putting it to the side, and I'm going to try and flatten it down. Now I'm just going to tuck it behind my ear. What I would normally do if I had water with me is I'd get a bit of water, spray it on, and really flatten it down. But just look how amazing it looks. It just looks so natural, and I think I really do prefer the side part. Just looks nice and soft. I'll cut in some baby hairs. Okay, so I put a little bit of water and held it down a little bit, and I feel like a side part is more me. And I really like a side part that's not perfect. I like it to be a little bit messy. If you look at people's hair, they don't always have perfect hair, and that's what I think makes a huge amount of difference when wearing a wig. If your hair is too perfect, people are going to be like, oh wow, your hair is so perfect. So I don't want a straight part. I want a part that's messy, a little bit all over the place. But yeah, this is how I parted it. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to cut this lace, cut those baby hairs in, and make this beautiful wig mine. So if you like this video and you would like to see how I cut in my own baby hairs and how I cut this lace, just let me know in the comments and I will try and do another video for you.